Hello boys and girls, it's 10:06, July 27, 2021, as you can see on the phone. It's my backup camera, and you can't see because the box is in the way. I just unboxed that Toshiba S90 and it doesn't work. Well, the tech works, but it doesn't work anyway. Then, back on, start this one. Okay, hello, it's 10:07, 27 July 2021. I unboxed the other Boombox, alright, which is a, I just unboxed this one here, it doesn't work, okay, alright, and then we have some ambience music, alright, so hit play, turn the volume down. That's a Toshiba RT-85T playing some background music while it's about 95, 96 degrees out here today. And I got this a few days ago. It's damaged looking because the other box was sitting on top of it all this time out here on the porch. That's the top coming up from the bottom here on the back side. So I got a power supply, and I got play that just a little bit louder. I rewound the tape and played it so it may sound the same sounds. I've got that music off of the audio, whatever, off of Google, YouTube, so I can play the video without copyright issues. And okay, this is got a whole lot of, oh, they put it in here cattywampus, okay, you know, diagonally. That's why we got all this. Well, okay, just go through like that. See that there? It's cattywampus, okay. Alright, well, it's a box and they didn't use, okay, great. There we go, so now, let's see here. So we got a lot more. Well, there we go. And then over here, this is, well, maybe we can just unwrap it like this. Oh yeah, that's it, we're done pretty much. Wait. Oh no, it's saran wrap. Oh, good grief. Alright. Oh my gosh. So, saran wrap. Fabulous. Yeah. So, no, I'm not saving saran wrap. Okay, so go round and round with this. Yeah, okay. I could cut through it, but I don't want to, or maybe I should, because I could be here all day doing this. Alright, let's cut down one side of it, how about, rather than try to cut through all of that. Go. So now, okay, so now, there we go. Yeah, okay. Right. So now, this. Okay, so let's, so I'm already familiar, already opened one of these a week or so ago, or whatever. So this is, okay, so this is bass, treble, balance. Turn that on flat. That's the volume. This is your normal chrome and metal, and then your function. That's your beat cut. So this would be stereo. That's mono stereo. That's off. Radio and then line in. Okay. AM and FM, and then your what you call it, your mixing mic. That's your headphone jack. Okay. And it's got some dust bunnies in here, so you can clean that out. And it opens and closes properly. Wait, let's look at that. Okay, it's dusty a little bit. All right. So now, does this come with a power cord? Yes, it does. Great. There's a power cord. All right. And then the battery compartment is clean, no rust. Okay, so that's nice. All right. It's got line in, line out, all that. Standard affair. So now, I get my power cord here once again and plug it in. This takes 90 batteries just like that one does there. So, okay. Now, moment of truth. Let's turn this on. Should be on. Yeah. Yeah, the fan motor's coming on because it's 95 degrees out here. Alright, so this is off, right? So that's on. I mentioned this has a complete antenna right there. Okay. It goes in, goes out. You understand how that works, right? Okay, so let me
in the morning, he wouldn't wake up. He was having trouble breathing. He was laboring to breathe.
No bass.
He hadn't started to turn blue
no
yet, but he
treble,
was
all
looking
the treble.
really, really bad. So we called
All the
911,
bass,
got him to the hospital.
no
He said all his
bass.
vitals are shutting down.
Only that speaker
He's
is
not going
working
to
that
make
I
it.
can
He's
tell.
probably not going to live. And we started praying, and I started texting, emailing, calling men.
This week on the Honest Conversations podcast, Kevin joined Rebecca Carroll and Liz Rodriguez.
So there's this channel, full blast. I can hear it ever so faintly. I don't know if you can over the noise of that thing, but all right. So
Listen to podcasts. You've made the decision to place your child in a Christian school, so now the search begins.
turn that off. Let's check out the tape deck here. Let's see. So hit play. Well, first is hit eject. Hit. I think I can hear the motor running. There we go. We got audio, but the capstan is not turning. Okay. And let's see here. Let's turn this off. Here. So, okay. Stop. I can't hear the motor running. Of course, sometimes they're silent. Turn that off. Maybe just the belt dead, but you can't hear the motor running at all. Okay, so hit stop on that, but it does eject nicely. That's good to know. A little bit dirty, dusty, that sort of thing, but the radio does work. Let's see here. Where's the radio again? It's this one. Yeah. Only this channel. This is soft, so it probably needs the recording bar switch cleaned.
At kcbi.org.
Probably needs the recording bar switch cleaned to get this channel back, and or these controls right here, and or the volume, and or all of these switches, because the sound is very, very faint. Let me turn the balance back over to here. Full blast. And there is sound coming out of that speaker. It also could be the corroded, it could be the corroded, what do you call these things? The speaker jacks. I've had that happen on another model, what was it? It was another Toshiba, I think. I can't remember. It was a Toshiba Sharp Iowa. I don't remember. But it was something a couple months ago that I got from Puerto Rico. That the guy sent it to me, and I discovered that one of these was corroded. Did not allow the speaker sound to come out at all. But this one is very faint, so that means it does work. It's just a matter of cleaning controls up in here. Now, I like this style of this box because if you open it up and you look inside, the tape deck is in the center. There's almost nothing behind the speakers, okay? Because all the circuitry is up here, okay? So this is essentially a box for the tape deck in the front here, but the rest of this is all open, okay? All of the electronics is only in the upper half of the box. Unlike your Panasonics and Sanyos, where the electronics go the full back side of the thing, and therefore decreasing the amount of space that the speakers are allowed to reverberate and give you sound forward. Okay, so that's why I like this box as opposed to the other models. Plus, this has music search, forward and rewind, up to up to over 5+ positions, but I don't know how these buttons work because I don't have an English version of this, so I just wanted to show you that like this. And yeah, that's about all I can tell you right now. This thing here is a little power supply. It's the fan's running because it's so hot out here. All right. So I'm gonna just stop this. Say good day. I hope you enjoyed. I've got this one here. Let's see here. Oh, okay. Pop the stuff. Okay. And I recently reviewed this one here, so I'll just give you a side-by-side comparison. I really can't see them, but there they are. Hopefully that's about as level as I can get. This one is so much bigger than that one, but I like this one better pretty much than this one, but I got this one as a curiosity to see how well it sounds in deference to this size here, but once I get inside of this, I don't like logic control that, so I'll try and service this, and if I can't get it to work, then I'll resell it. This one here I'll probably keep. The 8980 I do want to sell, which is the one on the chair there. I do want to sell that one because I don't. Yeah, it works like I just showed you. Been playing it. Anyway, so enough of that. I clean this up and get this to go out to recycle. Okay. Okay. So that's too much fun here. And then yeah, that's it. So this is I started this one second. So good day, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. Gotta go do more things. Hope you enjoyed. Good day, bye-bye. That's the power button. Power button. Okay, and then let's pick this up over here for a photo op. Right? Turn this thing off. Right? Turn that off. And then, oh no, I forgot the other camera's still rolling. Backup camera. All right, the chair is not long enough. Wait, move the scissors out of the way. Maybe that'll help. No, not really. There we go. There's that one. There's this one. And okay. Oh God, just path. So yeah, I'm gonna save some of this plastic, not all of it. Trying to make my way to that camera so I can shut it off. Just all right. So there we go. So now, all right. So let's just pick this thing up rather than having it so far away. Right. Okay. Now, all right. So yeah, that one I can't see it. Too bright. All right. That one's for sale. I haven't put a price. This one I need to service, and then that one's probably a keeper. Okay, this one I'll probably sell if I can't service it, because I don't like soft touch models, but I had to get one because everyone else in the whole world seems to be getting one. And then that box there, well, that's another story. But that's going to happen today, hopefully, too. Alright, so good day, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Here's my backup camera. This is the cassette to go camera. Alright, and it's been, alright, so good 16 minutes. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. It's hot out here. Like I said, yes, let me show you how hot it is. See, where's I can't even see the viewfinder. It's that temperature out here, so it really is hot. Okay, there are the boxes. I got to put that on recycle. Okay, and that works. That works. This makes a lot of noise. That one doesn't work, but hope to fix it. But the radio works. This one doesn't do anything at all. Just makes a lot of noise. Okay. Okay, gotta go. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.